हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर नंबर 12 चल रहा था द कॉम्प्लीमेंट. दिस इज पार्ट 2 ऑफ 2, मीनिंग लास्ट पार्ट, राइट. सेकंड पार्ट है and we are going to complete this chapter in this part, right. We have already discussed about subject complement. We discussed about complement, what is a complement, then we discussed about the types of complements, subject complement and object complement, and we discussed about subject complement in detail along with its exercises, right. Now we are going to start our discussion with object complement. What is object complement? So let's start our discussion now. See, object complement. These sentences are having verbs rank and keeps, right. Both these verbs are transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are those verbs which requires an object to complete the sense, but still, if any sentence doesn't complete its sense with only object, then the other word or phrase which is used to complete the sense is the complement part. Like in first sentence, the man rang the bell. So bell is the object, right. The bell is the object and rang is verb, transitive verb, so it requires an object which is the bell. Adequate exercise keeps one healthy. Here one is the object, right. Keeps is transitive verb and one is its object, but it doesn't complete sense with only this word one. Adequate exercise keeps one. This is not a complete sense, right, because how the what is the condition of this one, right. It is healthy, right. Another adequate exercise keeps one healthy. Healthy is the word which tells us the condition of this person. One adequate exercise keeps one healthy, so it is the complete sentence which makes a complete sense. So healthy is the complement part, right. Healthy is the complement of the sentence, and since it tells us about the condition of object, so it is object complement, right. So now object complement may be, there are the here are the few types of object complements. Object complement may be an adjective, may be a noun, may be a participial adjective, an infinitive, a noun phrase or participial phrase. So all these are the possible types of object complements. Now you know what is an adjective. So if any complement, object complement which does a function of an adjective, so it is an adjective an adjective type of object complement. And you know what is a noun. So any object complement which renames the object is a noun type of object complement. Like the council appointed Jania secretary. So secretary word here is the noun type of object complement because it renames the object which is Jania. They called their dog Rufus, right. So Rufus is the name of the dog is object, and Rufus is noun complement, noun type of object complement. Similarly, it can be a participial adjective, an infinitive phrase, a noun phrase, or a participial phrase. You are having different examples here to describe all the types of object complement, right. So I think it's clear enough now. You have to decide, you have to identify. Like an infinitive phrase, suppose we are having an infinitive phrase, so it must have two with it, right. Infinitive having infinitive is have infinitive has two, right, before it. So to be intelligent, like this in this example, to be intelligent, so this is the infinitive phrase, right. So infinitive phrase भी हो सकता है कोई object complement. We considered him to be intelligent. Sumit believed his friends to be helpful, right, because it is also an infinitive phrase, right. A noun phrase or a participial phrase. Noun phrase भी हो सकता है like hidden under the clothes. Participial phrase and noun phrase के types example दे रखा है standing at the door, right. So I think you are able to identify which type of object complement is used in the sentence. Right, now let us discuss about exercise. Exercise asks you this exercise asks you to identify the object and its complement and write what kind it is. So you have to identify object, then its complement, and then you have to tell us about the type of or kind of object complement. Like for the first sentence, Geeta called her boss a monster. So her boss is object and a monster is complement, and it is a noun complement. Kind में लिखेंगे, kind is noun, a noun complement, right? Noun complement. Noun complement. Similarly, sentence is the board found the plan excellent. So here the plan, right? The plan is object and excellent is complement, and kind is adjective, right? So you have to do all these questions like this only. I think it's clear enough now, and let us start discussion about our fourth exercise, which is uh, write your own sentences containing subject complements using the following linking verbs. So we have to write sentences which must contain subject complements, and by using these linking verbs only, right? Becomes, are, grew, appears, turned, is. So these are the linking verbs we have to use to make sentences, right, which must contain subject complement. Similarly, we have to make sentences containing object complement using the following verbs. These are the verbs given here. These are the verbs. We have to use these verbs to make sentences which must contain object complements. Here in this, sentence must contain subject complements. So sentences बनाने हैं, ठीक है? तो sentences कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, कोई भी sentence बना सकते हैं. You are free to write any sentence, but it must agree with grammatical rules, right? It must be correct according to grammar rules, right?